Oh, people's probably here with another entry in hacking the system. Um, Now this one's a weird entry because one, it wasn't planned, and just because this one's more on a fix than a hack. So essentially, it should be named "Fixing the System," but I don't know. So obviously, I just finished reviewing the A.I.M.S Narikiri set, and obviously one of my biggest issues is that I don't know what's wrong with the color. Is it alright? Do I need to decrease the ISO? Okay. So obviously one of my hugest issues is with brushing Cheetah and its spinner, because as you can see right here, its spinner is actually, you know, alright. Then whenever I actually try spinning it like spin it just doesn't work. Because you're supposed to be able to do it with one-handed, but I can't do that. And obviously, if you saw the unboxing, I actually did unscrew this part in this area to see what was up, but then I got nothing out of it. And after, doing stuff, I actually watched Courager Japan's video, because he had the same issue too. And I actually did realize you can take this apart. It's just for some reason mine doesn't. So we're gonna fix that, and then I guess I'll do to make up the hacking part. I'll show an easy modification that you can do. This is just hard to do because this screw is pretty long. So obviously, by removing this thing, you essentially have a normal Russian cheetah and such. And now you can actually put the tab back in, but I'm not going to unscrew it every time just to put this in, because I really don't want to do that. So obviously leave this untouched, because that's not the issue. This thing's the issue. So again, we're going to unscrew this. Obviously, I want to be really careful about this, so then I don't scrap or scrape the nail, because that would be horrible, especially for a new toy or something I got like a day ago. So apparently this is supposed to come off, but for me it doesn't. As I lose focus. So I'm gonna try my best that didn't feel good. I just created a I just set a huge gash towards that. Whoops. So yeah, in some miracle, I did it after I took a break. I did it after I turned off the camera, because I realized that I'm not sure this is a second shipment thing, but they glued I assume it's glue because I couldn't take it off, but they glued the spinner. I don't they glued the spinner to each other, which is why it was so difficult for me to rip it off. So it's So now, this is really loose, which is technically good. Oh, whoops. This is really loose because this is what we wanted all this time. But obviously how I did it is that I literally had to pry it. I had to pry it like so, and then it just fell apart and such. So that's how you take that apart and such, and obviously just push this in and screw this back in. So, obviously we're going to put it on original, or not original, spinner cheetah. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, this looks way much better. This is what we were wanting. Oh, oh yeah, we did it. We got a spinning cheetah. Ow, I hit the camera. Oh, that's cool. I still can't spin it, but the spinner is at least spinning. Okay, yeah, I guess I just can't spin in general, but... See, I don't... Oh, whoops. See, I don't know how you spin this. Oh, I didn't screw this in completely. Wait. It got stuck. That scared me. Oh my gosh, why you? You scared me. I'm like, who's talking to me? That doesn't seem as like bad, but see, this is why I don't. Oh gosh. Okay, so I guess this part is if PowerRider can actually spin this, which he can't because I don't know how you spin Cheetah because it's supposed to be something like this. If I can get one full circle, then I'm calling it. Oh, I almost got it. See, as I addressed in the box, and I don't know if it's because my hand is too small, because this just keeps moving. My gosh, I can't believe this is the hardest thing for me to do. Why can't I spin a simple progress key? Because you want it to like spin in your hand. I'm just trying to figure out how exactly you get it to spin. So what? It's like this, and then you something like that. What the heck? I can get it with this hand. What the heck? I can do it left-handed? See, I can do stuff way better with my left hand. Ow. Ow. I can do stuff way better with my left hand. Ow. I can do stuff way better with my left hand than my right hand. So it's like, I feel like I'm secretly a lefty. Well, I do everything with my left except for writing, but... oh, gosh. Gosh, stop it. But... see, I can do this with my left hand. But with my right hand, I can't do a full circle. I guess my right hand is just that poor. But then, see, the way you're supposed to do it is that you're supposed to like flick your hand up. See, this is the challenge. If you can actually catch it. I failed. But, yeah, so we failed. So, obviously, because we failed, we might as well just move on in failure. And just quickly show you how exactly... just quickly show you... the hack, which is essentially... this is like really easy of doing because all you need to do is take... I'm not gonna do cheetah because we already have cheetah, so... so we're gonna do hornet, and you see that silver screw right there? We're simply going to take that. Shoot, I'm gonna get another screwdriver because I might scrape this one. Okay, this actually isn't looking too good because I feel like I might actually be scraping hornets. You know what? Let's go flathead. Cool. Okay, so yeah, all you do is simply remove this screw, because this screw simply just holds in part of the progress key, and yep, that is that's why I don't like these model kit ones. They scrape the screws really badly. So then you just simply apply that here. that's why I really like this one. This one actually sticks into, because it's small enough, this one actually sticks in the screw. But there, now you got a spinning Hornet. Now obviously I can't. Obviously you lose the ability of inserting it, but as I fail at spinning it. Gosh, I hate it when it does it. Yeah, but you get the gist of it. I'll just take this off screen. So because why not? I guess I might as well just show off what I was talking about in the review with Wolf about how you literally just have to open this up to just this to open and such. This is also gonna be the first time I'm opening up a DX PowerRider key, and it's one that I've literally got a day ago. I really like this screwdriver because, like, you know, I can twist, and this is like on here. It's not like, you know, twisting on me and such. But actually, the first DX PowerRider key I opened was actually Caucasus, but so we need to like somehow access the front, which I think we need to. What's the speaker? I really want to be careful, so I think we have to remove this circuit board first, and then this. Yep, there's nothing programmed, or there's nothing like soldered here for these buttons to press, so they're just there, and it's just kind of pointless. I should have just taken off. There's something clearly blocking this, so I think we need to access. So you unscrew this portion to then loosen the cover. Okay, wait. Okay, so there's. Okay, I did not know when I was doing this the arrow was moving. Okay, so I assume that this piece will fall, which will allow this to do its thing. And I did something wrong, which is not good. But essentially, this part, essentially they changed this so then this part will just block off this area. To which now what we do simply is simply do that, and we do this now to there's an opened shooting wolf. So let me put this back together and figure out this entire mess. I was actually surprised how much easier it was to assembling it. Probably because I actually wasn't looking at the camera. So obviously because we got these opened now. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. There's this like square thing here, and like, yeah, if you really want to, you can cut it off. And obviously, the sticker is completely new because they didn't have the full-on one because there's no need to. And the click here is not like the typical click because obviously it's not meant to click that far like this. So it's like now with this, you can actually use and then with this one, so with cheetah you can actually use it. Wolf, you can actually have it out. So to get this ready, oh shoot. Oh wow. They actually don't allow you to put in the 01 driver because the block, this part here conflicts with this spot. So that's really funny, and it sucks at the same time because I wanted Fua to scream while I put that in, but obviously you can do like something like this. So you can do something like this. So you can do stuff like that. How about the 1000 driver? 1000 driver. Oh man, you can't. But man, Fua, why can't you? Okay, so like, I guess that's the cost of like, oh, like you can't like, you can't open it, you can't insert it. So it's just like, that's fun. 一つ教えておいてやる。爆発者はいつでも復元できる。それが人工知能。それがヒューマギアだ。たとえこいつも作り直せば済む話。 Obviously, you can like use it like. And actually, I actually should have tried this out within this. That'll probably be the last thing. So here I go with disassembling this. Okay. So that took like 7 minutes to do this. Okay, yeah, this wolf key will definitely jam your. This will definitely jam your force razors. So yeah, if you want to like jam your force risers, yeah, sure, go right at it. I'm just worried that, because essentially it's just like, oh, I'm stuck, forget you, kind of thing. But and last but not least, I'll just. Can I do this? I'm a failure. This is PowerRider. No, you people. Bye.